Intro music and visuals of IPL logo. Narrator. The Indian Premier League, or IPL, is one of the most popular and exciting cricket leagues in the world. It brings together top cricketers from around the globe to compete in a fast-paced, high-energy tournament. Visuals of players practicing and playing matches. Narrator. The IPL was first launched in 2008, and has since grown in popularity year after year. The league consists of 8 teams representing different cities in India, and each team is owned by a franchise. Visuals of the 8 team logos and owners. Narrator. Over the course of 2 months, these teams play a total of 60 matches, with the top 4 teams advancing to the playoffs. The playoffs consist of 2 qualifiers, an eliminator, and the final. Visuals of the playoff structure. Narrator. The IPL has produced some incredible moments and performances over the years, from the batting brilliance of Chris Gayle and AB de Villiers, to the bowling prowess of Lasith Malinga and Rashid Khan. Visuals of these players in action. Narrator. But it's not just about the players, the IPL has also become known for its electrifying atmosphere, with fans packing stadiums across the country to cheer on their favorite teams. Visuals of fans cheering and celebrating. Narrator. And with millions of viewers tuning in from around the world, the IPL has become a truly global phenomenon. Visuals of fans watching matches on TV in different countries. Narrator. So whether you're a die-hard cricket fan or just looking for some thrilling sports entertainment, the IPL is a must-watch event. Be sure to catch all the action when the next season rolls around. Closing visuals of IPL logo and upcoming season dates.